Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed and completed comprehension bit A and bit B. In today's session, children, we will discuss play with words. Okay? In play with words, bit D, children, fill in the blanks using the picture clues. Fill in the blanks using the picture clues. So here the clues are given, the pictures are given. You have to write the name of the picture here in the blank. That is the clue here. Okay. Here the first one is as low as a dash. As low as a, what is the picture, children? Here it is a snail. So snail will walk very slowly. So you have to move as slow as a snail. Write snail in the blank, and the spelling of snail is S-N-A-I-L, snail. Here, second one, children, as pretty as a. Second one, children, as pretty as a. As pretty as a dash. So what is this, children? What is the picture? It's flower. So as pretty as a flower. Write flower in the blank. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. As pretty as a flower. Third one, children, as green as dash. As green as dash. So what is this, children? It is grass. As green as grass. Write grass in the blank. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. As green as grass. Fourth one, children, as white as dash. As white as dash. So what is it? It's milk. As white as milk. Write milk in the blank. M-I-L-K, milk. Last, fifth one, children, as busy as a, what is this picture? It is bee. As busy as a bee. Write bee in the blank. B-E-E-B. Now once we'll read the fill in the blanks, children. All of you read along with me. As slow as a snail. As pretty as a flower. As green as grass. As white as milk. As busy as a bee. Okay. Now next bit E, children. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Here in the box, words are given. Use the words and fill the blanks. Okay. Now the words in the box are sun, sun, hair, hair, one, nose, nose. So here the spellings are different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is similar. So here the first sentence is, an elephant has a long nose. Leah knows the answer. An elephant has a long nose. Leah knows the answer. Okay. Now second one, the gardener gave dash plant to each child. Our team dash the match. So what we have to write here? The gardener gave dash plant to each child. Our team dash the match. So that is 1. So the gardener gave 1 plant to each child. Our team won the match. Okay. Here the answer is, the gardener gave 1 plant to each child. Our team won the match. Okay. Now next third one, children. Rohan is the dash of Mr. and Mrs. Patnik. The dash is shining in the sky. Rohan is the dash of Mr. and Mrs. Patnik. The dash is shining in the sky. And the words here to be used are sun, sun. Rohan is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Patnik. The sun is shining in the sky. S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. Okay. Now next fourth one, children. Vimala has dash. Vimala has long dash. Vimala has long dash. Have you read the story of the dash and the tortoise? Vimala has long dash. Have you read the story of the dash and the tortoise? So here the word is hair. Vimala has long hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Have you read the story of the hare and the tortoise? Vimala has long hair. Have you read the story of the hare and the tortoise? Okay. Now next, spelling. In spelling, bit F, children. Name these words. All the words end with the letters I-C-E. So name these words. All the words end with the letter I-C-E. Okay. So look at the first one, children. 3 times. 3 times. We call it as thrice. T-H-R-I-C-E. Thrice. And the word end with the letters I-C-E. Okay. Now second one, children. The plural of mouse. The plural of mouse is, which is there in the lesson, plural of mouse is mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Okay. Next, third one, children. That which is good. That which is good. So, which is good, we call it as nice. N-I-C-E, nice. N-I-C-E, nice. And the last fourth one, children. We play Ludo with a. We play Ludo with a. What do we use to play Ludo? It's dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Okay. That is about spelling. Okay. Now once we'll read, all of you read along with me, children. 3 times. Thrice. The plural of mouse. Mice. That which is good. Nice. We play Ludo with a dice. Okay, children? Okay. Now with this, we'll close today's session, children. Coming to today's your homework. Learn and write. Play with words and spellings in your textbook. Learn and write lesson 6. The elephants and the mice. Bit D, E, F in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.